Unlock faster ore smelting and supercharge your Minecraft resource processing by crafting a blast furnace. To start, you'll need a crafting table. Open it up and gather your ingredients: 3 pieces of iron ingots, 5 pieces of cobblestone, and 2 pieces of fuel. Any burnable item will work as fuel, like coal or charcoal. Now, place the 5 pieces of cobblestone in the crafting table, filling the bottom row and the 2 middle slots of the middle row, forming a U shape. Make sure they're positioned exactly like this. Next, take your 3 iron ingots and place one in the top middle slot, and the remaining 2 in the middle rows left and right slots. This arrangement will complete the blast furnace crafting recipe. And there you have it, your very own blast furnace. Now, let's talk placement. Find a convenient spot in your base or near your mining operations. A blast furnace is best placed on a solid block. Just select the blast furnace in your hotbar and right-click on the desired block. To use it, open the blast furnace by right-clicking. You'll see 2 main slots. The bottom slot is for fuel, and the slot above that is where you'll place your ores. The smelted items will appear in the output slot on the right. The key advantage of the blast furnace is its smelting speed. Or smelting is twice as fast compared to a regular furnace, making it perfect for processing large quantities of iron, gold, and even tools or armor for repairing. This increased efficiency is crucial for powering large-scale projects, rapidly acquiring valuable resources, and advancing through the game with impressive speed. Start crafting your blast furnace today and experience the difference.